guys, welcome back to On the Farm with John, and today I'm going to be talking to you about this Ford 3000 and this Salsco wood chipper. And right here is a Ford 3000, and it was built in the 60s. It is a little more difficult to drive than a newer tractor like we have now. And if you look right here, this is the lower setting of gears, and this is the higher setting of gears. Look right here. If you push this up, it's in this lower setting of gears that I just showed you. Now it's in the higher setting of gears. Push it all the way up. And then when you want to change the gears, in neutral is when you push it that way and it slides back. Right now it's in neutral in this line right there. So you can fiddle around and get into a gear. And it has three brakes. It's actually not three brakes, it's actually two brakes. So if you look right here, this right here is a clutch. And what the clutch does is it won't shut off the engine, but it'll shut off the engine and the transmission from turning the wheels. Push that all the way down. And then right here is the left brake. The left tire and wheel, it'll brake that one. And that's for the right one right here, it'll brake it in there. And then what we normally do is push both of them down, and it'll brake both of them at the same time. This is the throttle for the engine. Key here. And then the lights.
Now, John, whose tractor was this? Brand new. Who did it belong to?
It belonged to my grandfather's dad.
That's right.
And I have talked about my grandfather. Like he owns all the blueberries over there. All those blueberries that you see. He owns all those.
So this belonged to his daddy.
Yes.
So it's been in our family for many years.
Many years. And it still runs, and it's still on the farm.
Okay.
Here's the wood chipper. Now, I have talked about a splitter, and I have told you that it runs with a tractor, and this is the tractor that we use with it. You can use different tractor if you want to, but this is the one that we like the best. And you can see right here, this is a PTO shaft. This is the shaft, and this is the PTO.
Now, John, what does PTO stand for?
Power takeoff.
Okay. So it's taking the power from the tractor.
Yes. It'll come right there, and it'll take the power from the tractor and put it into this rod that puts into the motor. That motor runs a big, huge disc in there. Now, excuse my voice. It's not the best. I haven't been feeling very good. But the PTO shaft goes and runs this motor right there. That'll run a big blade, and the blade is like that thick of steel. It's about this big around with different blades on it that'll chip the wood. Come over here. Pull these flaps back. That is the blade. And you shove the wood through there, and it goes through here to the blade. Down there that I just showed you, and it'll spin real fast, and it'll chop it, and then it goes through here and falls over here. And I'll tell you what we use it for. We're making a big pile of all this compost. We're using it for compost. So you'll get composted, then you'll put it in the garden. It'll help fertilize and stuff, natural stuff. This is all the pile that we're chopping, splitting, whatever.
Now, what size tree, branch, log, whatever can go into this wood chipper?
6 inches in diameter.
In diameter, okay. All right. So we're going to let an adult show us how it runs, right?
Yeah.
All right.
But before we do that, I just wanted to say this is made in the USA.